Hello and welcome back to your wallet in the Advantage app. Previously we spoke about how you can request coins, and in the before that we also spoke how to navigate through the wallet. Today we're going to show you how to send coins to people who asked for it or people that you have their account. So if I want to send somebody coins, I'll press the send button. So then I can either have a link of their wallet which they can share with me in various ways which I showed last video. So what I will do is I can paste it like this, and then I can share it. Also, another thing I can do is I can press this button to scan their code, like so, and I can send it like this. When I'm about to send it, I first need to type in the PIN to make sure it's me. Once I've authorized it, the transaction will go through and I've just sent them my coins.